LinkedIn is an amazing B2B platform. It truly is. Over 3 million users are sharing their content on LinkedIn on a daily basis. And over 80% of B2B leads all generated on LinkedIn. So Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other platforms are all great. But if you are in B2B, LinkedIn is the platform you need to use. So here are 5 things you need to know about LinkedIn. First of all, LinkedIn is available in 25 languages, which means that if your potential customers speak Chinese, Spanish, German, or any other language, you can create content in their native language to get more potential customers. LinkedIn has over 810 million users. It's a crazy number. And in addition to that, they have more than 77% of these users are outside of US. So not only people who live in USA using LinkedIn, which means that LinkedIn is international B2B platform. And another interesting fact about LinkedIn is that 60% of their users are between ages 25 and 34. While over 57% of users that are registered on LinkedIn identify themselves as male and only 43% as female. These are basic facts that you need to know about LinkedIn before start using it and creating your content.